The biggest mistake people make when they are rejected or left behind is noise. They cry, they beg, they send long text messages, they post sad quotes on social media, they try to show the other person how much they are hurting. But this does not make them regret losing you. It makes them relieved that they left. If you want to truly make someone regret losing you, you do not need to say a single word. You need to become the best version of yourself that they can no longer access. Welcome to Eternal Echoes. Today, we are going to explore 7 silent Stoic ways to handle rejection, betrayal, or a breakup. This is not about revenge. It is about becoming so valuable that your absence is felt like a phantom limb. The psychology of regret. Regret does not happen when you are present. Regret happens in the empty space you leave behind. Seneca said, "He who is not happy with a little is content with nothing." When someone leaves you, they think they can find something better. Let them try. Your job is not to chase them. Your job is to create a vacuum. When you disappear completely, their imagination starts to work. They wonder, why is he not calling? Why is she not sad? Did I make a mistake? Silence is the soil where regret grows. Way 1. The total ghost protocol. The first way is the hardest, but the most powerful. 0 contact. No messages. No calls. No watching their stories. No accidentally bumping into them. You must vanish. Marcus Aurelius taught us to retreat into our inner citadel. When you cut off contact, you are not being petty. You are reclaiming your dignity. If they walked away, they lost the privilege of your voice. Do not give them the satisfaction of knowing you are still there, waiting. Be a ghost. Way 2. The glow up, physical and mental. While they are out there searching for happiness, you are in here building it. Focus 100% of your energy on your body and mind. Go to the gym, eat clean, read books. There is nothing more attractive than a person who thrives after a loss. When they see you 3 months later, looking stronger, healthier, and sharper, they will feel a physical blow to their ego. They will realize that they were the dead weight that was holding you back. Way 3. Emotional Stoicism. Indifference. If you ever cross paths with them, how should you react? Should you be angry? No. Anger shows you still care. Should you be overly nice? No. That looks desperate. The Stoic way is indifference. Treat them like a stranger you used to know. Polite but distant. Calm but cold. Epictetus said, "It is not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." When you show 0 emotion, you signal that they no longer have power over you. This indifference is the ultimate insult to their ego. Way 4. Success in silence. Do not post about your success to impress them. Succeed for yourself. Start that business. Get that promotion. Learn that skill. But do it quietly. When your success speaks for itself, it echoes louder than any brag. Imagine them hearing about your achievements from someone else. Did you hear? He started his own company. Or, she just bought a new house. That third-party validation destroys their narrative that you needed them. It proves you are winning because they left. Way 5. Remove their access. They might try to come back. They might send a, "Hey, how are you?" text. This is a test. They want to see if the door is still open. The 5th way is to lock the gate. Do not reply immediately. Or better yet, do not reply at all. You are not a backup plan. You are not a safety net. By denying them access to your life, you increase your value. Scarcity creates value. If you are always available, you are cheap. If you are unreachable, you are luxury. Way 6. Radiate joy, the happy life. The best revenge is living well. Find joy in your solitude. Find joy in your hobbies. Find joy in new friends. When you are genuinely happy without them, it breaks their heart more than your sadness ever could. They expected you to be miserable. They expected you to fall apart. Seeing you smile, laugh, and live a full life is a slap in the face to their arrogance. It shows that your happiness comes from within, not from them. Way 7. Amor, Fati. Love the loss. Finally, the deepest Stoic lesson. Amor, Fati. Love your fate. Do not just accept the breakup. Love it. Why? Because it revealed the truth. It removed a person who was not loyal. It gave you the space to find someone better. Thank the universe for removing them. When you shift your mindset from I lost them to I was saved from them, you become unbreakable. You walk with the confidence of someone who knows that every loss is actually a gain. Conclusion: you do not need to make them regret it. The regret will come naturally as a byproduct of your rise. Focus on you. Build your empire. Sharpen your mind. Let them watch from the sidelines as you become the person they always doubted you could be. If you are ready to walk away and rise above, declare your value right now. Write in the comments, I am the prize. This is Eternal Echoes. We do not chase, we attract. Subscribe and let your silence be your loudest message.